As for the statement of the author, and whomsoever says that the prayer behind every ruler, whether he be righteous or whether he be wicked, is valid, and that jihad is permissible and valid alongside every khalifa, and he does not hold the validity of raising the sword against the sultan, against the one in charge of the Muslims, meaning the ruler, and that he supplicates for their rectification. Such a person, after mentioning this, Shaykh al-Fawzan said that such a person, bari'un min firqatil khawarij, that he is free and disassociates himself and is innocent from the sect of the Khawarij. And that is because the author, he mentioned the 4 sects. So therefore, the one who holds fast to hearing and obeying the Muslim ruler, the one who's in charge of the affairs of the Muslims, and he does not rebel against him due to a mistake that he sees from the Muslim ruler, and that mistake is less than kufr, or that he sees a sin or an act of a disobedience that the ruler falls into that is lesser than kufr akbar, that does not exit him from the fold of Islam, so he does not rebel against such a person due to errors and sins that he sees from them that are less than kufr, then such a person has agreed with the madhab of Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah, for that is the madhab of Ahlul Sunnah wal Jama'ah. And that prayer behind the umara, behind the rulers from amongst the Muslims, he holds the validity of that and the correctness of that the prayer is valid behind them, whether they be righteous or whether they be wicked and tyrannical. And he holds that jihad alongside them in the path of Allah is correct. And likewise he makes dua for them, for their rectification and for their guidance, that Allah gives them success and Allah guides them. Then this is the madhab of Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah with respect to the rulers. And whomsoever opposes anything from this, then he has a trait from the traits of the people of misguidance and from the traits specifically of the Khawarij. As for the saying of the author, wal jihadu ma'a kulli khalifatin, and he holds the validity and the correctness of making jihad alongside every ruler. Wal jihadu ma'a kulli khalifatin, that he holds that it is permissible, or that he holds the validity of jihad alongside every khalifa, meaning that if the ruler commands him with jihad, then it is obligatory for him to make jihad alongside the Muslim ruler who is in charge of the affairs of government of his country. هذا هو الواجب. This is what is obligatory, to hear and to obey. السمع والطاعة, to hear and to obey, and to pray behind them, and to make jihad alongside them. Naam. And to withhold completely from fighting against them and to rebel against them. To completely withhold from rebellion against them by fighting them, as the Khawarij they do, meaning that the Khawarij, they fight against the Muslim rulers and they rebel against them. So to withhold from fighting against them and to hear them and to obey them and to pray behind them and to fight alongside them, then this is the madhab of Ahlul Sunnati wal Jama'ah with respect to the Muslim rulers. And this is the opposite of what is stated by the Khawarij and the Mu'tazila.